So if I can borrow you. So something over here. So for this exercise, my partner puts a force on me, and what automatically happens since I get physical line is my points of tension in my body expose themselves. So as soon as he put this force on, my shoulders started to lock up, and I feel it on my lower back as the pressure goes down to the ground. So I can release these points if I want, or I can find his base and release the point of contact to neutralize the force. So what most people do is they'll go inside their body and start relaxing and releasing, which makes the person collapse onto you when you neutralize. So most people look at running away and dissipating essentially. What we want to do is feel the point of contact, feel the base, and relax everything in between the point of contact and the ground. As soon as we get the base, it's how do I dissolve the tension on the point of contact and turn this to jelly and his feet. Now, some people just put consciousness there and relax. Other people will do the first transformation, vital to astral, go from a vital energy awareness, slow the energy down inside your partner's body to separate balance. Some people will open the mental body and just open the balance up and decenter the balance. So you have a lot of different approaches. The common threads amongst all of them is the mind has to occupy the space, and there's a quality of relaxation in there, whether it's a physical relaxation, whether it's a vital energy relaxation, whether it's a mental relaxation, opening space and balance, the mind has to occupy the space. So the first skill is to get good at feeling the base, feeling the line, and simply engaging the tension and then relaxing that space from the point of contact through to the base, and then extend the balance to wherever you want. Once you've defined your different training exercises for how your mind occupies space and relaxes in that space, then you start giving yourself more challenge. So my partner is open and cooperating with me. He's not trying to fight me at all. He's just going, oh, here's some tension, play with it. So from that level, he gives me a little bit more stick and pushes in and grounds a little bit more. And then from there, I have to put in more effort. My mind's got to consciously more relax, and my body has to relax and let go while I'm relaxing inside him. When your partner is highly cooperative, you don't have to do anything inside your body. But as soon as they start giving you a bit of stick and making it difficult for you, then you start releasing your body while you're releasing their body. And there's this reflective approach that starts to happen. The most common error with these neutralizing energies is that people worry about their own body first. If you've got neutralizing jinn in your consciousness, you should be able to relax and release the person outside your body. Once you can do that, then your partner can start challenging you, and you relax and release inside your body and inside their body at the same time. And your skill level will go up. Okay, so for neutralizing, make sure you touch your partner's base, mentally occupy the space between the point of contact and the ground, release the hand and the foot and the space equally, and as soon as you feel the balance starting to go, move the balance off center. You want to bring the person out of center. Okay, have a play. Thank you.